The world of education and training is constantly changing and evolving. With any new government, there is new policies, legislations, and also agendas. And therefore, schools, colleges, education establishments, they have to change and to ensure that we are keeping with the times. So a good hallmark of any professional teacher is to stay current, not only with your subject knowledge, but also educational policy as well. So criteria question 2.1 is to explain ways in which social, political and economic factors influence education policy. So to begin this assignment question, we are looking for you to describe in your own words the key terms of social, political and economic factors, and really what do they mean and how have they shaped education policy. So the first key term, we have social factors. So we are reflecting on what social factors here have influenced education policy. So we would like for you to explain how social factors such as community needs, perhaps the local authority, so the needs of communities have perhaps shaped courses, qualifications, and we're thinking about the needs of society. How has that impacted on schools and colleges as well? So reflect on your own teaching establishment and think about what changes your local community have had on your school or college. What has been their needs? Has there been perhaps any local meetings, governors, and what have they said to your school or organisation to perhaps make any changes to your course content, your school's direction, or the curriculum that you offer? Furthermore, we have economic factors. Okay, so we're thinking how economic factors such as budgets, it could be local and national funding here, perhaps the needs of industry as well. How have these shaped current subjects, perhaps that you teach, and also any training that you deliver as well? So think about any budget cuts within your organisation. Okay, perhaps there's been a push from government in terms of funding. Okay, perhaps there's been an increased amount of awareness to your course. So we're thinking about that. And furthermore, we'd like for you to think about political factors which have influenced your own subject specialism. This could be new governments, new acts, new legislations which have been designed or developed by a political party, for example. So have there been any changes that have happened within your current organisation? Okay, so think about perhaps the last 5 to 10 years here. What has happened within your course or qualification to date? Do have a look at textbook pages 62 to 66, and we're looking for a suggested word count here of 500 words as a minimum.